every entrepreneur should invest their time in making the management team very stronger. You can't win the war alone. You need to have a team which you have 100% faith in, they have 100% faith on you. The reason of me traveling in Surat for like 3-4 days, then coming week I'm going to Mumbai, then I'll go to Jaipur. Before Diwali I was in Bangalore for 5 days. So I have to travel like 10 days a month right now because we are in a transition phase of coming into the strategy and the consultation side more. But in office there is a team of 80 people sitting. So it becomes really challenging being a solo founder, how to manage the travel and the office management both. So last 6 months we have spent a lot of time and money both in building our management team. Salary percentage used to be only 2% in management 1 year back. Right now it's 25%. So we have increased the management salary a lot and there has to be a right time. So before that what used to happen, every person was having their own brands, part of a department, and they were operating like that. But so we predicted this like 6 months back. We need people in management, we need people in strategy. So like in my office right now there is Ishan who's the head of business. Second person after me who takes care of everything. He was my fourth team member and till today we have grown everything together. Then there is Parth who works with me day in day out at the founder's office. He joined as an executive assistant but worked exceptionally well. Then it comes to Tushar who's sitting with me. So Tushar used to do the entire UGC part before. Now we have also matured and evolved him to the entire strategy side of the content primarily and will be doing more in the coming future. इसके दो benefits हैं. One, you need to make people grow in order to make them feel challenging and feel valued at the place. तो अगर आप उनसे एक ही काम 2-4 साल तक कराते रहोगे, they will leave because they want growth, not in terms of money, in terms of profile, in terms of exposure to the work. So it's very important to make them challenging work year on year so that they also enjoy working there. And second is obviously you need to have backups. So now we have 5-6 people in management. Let's say any of the marketer is not there in the office or leaves suddenly, they are not well, anything emergency came up. So these guys also act as a backup. So this is the reason why this happens, and I think every entrepreneur should invest their time in making the management team very stronger. Especially if you're a solo entrepreneur, guys, you can't win the war alone. You need to have a team which you have 100% faith in, they have 100% faith on you. Otherwise, so it's a game you're playing alone, and after 5 years you'll end up sitting alone in an office with maybe a great revenue and profits, but with whom you will share that smile is something that you'll miss. You need to have the people around you for the long time. So when you grow, so like Ishan ke saath when you started, we were in a जितना बड़ा मेरा cabin आज है तब ईशान ने join किया था, and today we both have seen the team growing to 80 people. So today we discussed on that day when we were sitting, and there's a huge growth we have seen. So that is something which I feel is more precious, even more than money, is when you sit with someone and discuss what was that and what is true.